Alrighty, brothers and sisters, it appears that the market is back. Today we're going to be talking about Bitcoin, Ethereum, altcoins, and our favorite meme coins as the market looks like is finally trying to climb back up, which will cause a massive alt season heading towards the end of the year. So this is a very important video. With no further ado, let's get into it. And as usual, remember, I am not a financial advisor. This show is not financial advice. This show is for entertainment, some education, and hopefully finding God. So as predicted, we got Ethereum holding strong. We got Bitcoin finally reclaiming this 112,000 level, which is a very strong level. If we go back to that 4 hour, we're seeing now we're slowly been climbing. We're slowly been putting in these higher highs, higher lows, which is a very bullish market structure change. And we just took in this previous high here, which definitely signals that we changed the market structure locally here on the lower time frames on Bitcoin, especially that we just closed in this 4 hour candle above this previous high. So these are all very bullish indicators on the lower time frames here, which also could progress into something much bigger, which means we're taking previous highs on Bitcoin and new all-time highs. Now, I am expecting personally that this new all-time high on Bitcoin and this next rally on Bitcoin would be the one like in 2021 and 2017, the one that would create this astronomical alt season, the crazy one, also the blow off top type of tops that we see usually. So this is something we've seen just as of recently back in 2024 here in December. This is when we had the major alt season as well happen, but since then we have not seen one. Especially if you joined in 2024, you have not seen one, especially a big alt season. So what does the market think about this now? We're still in this fear and greed neutral. Not much is happening. People still are very bearish for some reason. We got alt season indicator at 61. Now, I don't think that's actually covering exactly what it's like for altcoins, but altcoins are not really doing that good yet, right? Yet. So especially that if we look at Ethereum is the indicator for altcoins. Now, Bitcoin dominance is still slowly on its way down, but it kind of stopped right now. So we have not seen yet the major crash by Bitcoin dominance and an actual sustained crash by the Bitcoin dominance, which also tells us that we are in a massive alt season, which haven't happened yet. But regardless, altcoin season index on coin market cap is telling us we are entering the territory. Now, that's due probably to a few coins pumping, but not as much. Like we got Dogecoin up 11%, which we've seen now recently news that Dogecoin will have an ETF, which is something I predicted last year. Pretty much I was expecting that we're going to start to see meme coins ETF. We could see a BONK meme coin ETF. We've seen a BONK treasury, so I wouldn't be surprised to see a BONK ETF as well. Now, keep in mind that's actually very big for meme coins. Now, once the rotation goes from these high market cap coins, this is what we've been all building towards to all this time here, is building towards this lower market cap type meme coins. Like today we get Fungi bouncing as well of this uptrend. We get Breton 8 holding strong at around $5 million market cap here, and we get Dorky as well bouncing strong. Dorky is being a very strong meme coin recently, but the thing is, we're seeing a lot of Dogecoin ETFs. Probably we're going to see a BONK ETF, probably a Pepe ETF. Won't surprise me as well. And I've seen even some stocks which are very low market caps stocks, like this one here, CWD. So these guys here, they just announced a treasury, a cryptocurrency treasury. I'm not sure which one. So usually they do Bitcoin or Solana or Ethereum treasury, and suddenly you see their price skyrocket. And you see this thing here, it did a 20x, 23x after they announced a treasury. And this is a low market cap stock. This is like a $5 million market cap stock. They do exist, and they're trying to save their stocks by doing this treasury thing. So you can see this thing has been bleeding. This is a stock, not a crypto. And you can see the same thing plays out also on low cap stocks. Basically, this is a $5 million market cap stock. And what I'm seeing is we're going to see institutional FOMO going towards high cap memes, especially it will start with ETFs like Dogecoin, and it's big, then treasuries, then retail, and we could even see some treasuries going for lower cap memes and stronger memes. So we could have a very big season like we had back in the time in 2021 when we had pictures, JPEGs of rocks selling for millions of dollars. We could get to that type of craziness, but we're just getting started. This is not yet there. We're not yet there. We're just getting started. So today the thing is, Bitcoin is taking the lead now. So that's what I'm looking at mostly. And now Bitcoin, as I just said, is climbing. Now locally is very bullish. I do believe this could progress into something much bigger and a new all-time high, slowly climbing towards the end of the month, next month, to like the whole end of the year, let's say Q4. Pretty much very bullish for Bitcoin, climbing high. And I do believe in this like new all-time highs on Bitcoin. Would see very strong all-time highs as well on Ethereum, and that would cause a major all season that we're waiting for. So things can turn very fast and very quickly and go very crazy, more than what most people expect. So it looks like this cycle has been driven a lot by institutions, and it could continue being driven by institutions. And just by the fact that institutions are going into meme coins, this it alone will bring in a lot of speculation toward other meme coins. So especially the established meme coins that were here around, like Breton 8, Dorky, Fungi, other lower cap memes, even Pepe, higher cap memes, all those that a lot of people know about and could have more attention in the future as well. So not the pump fund era. I don't know if the pump fund type of gambling could come back. It could come back. I don't think it's ever going away, but I don't think it's going to come back as strong. But mostly we're going to see this type of spot plays, long-term holds, like few months type of plays, like not 3 seconds holding, but mostly a month to at least a week or 2 weeks, and not the 3 seconds, 10 seconds in and out that we see on pump fund. So locally here as well for Ethereum, we're seeing something very, very important, which is Ethereum holding this 4,200 level. And now it's bouncing with Bitcoin. Bitcoin is bouncing, is dragging Ethereum up with it, but so far Ethereum seems to be holding here. So we're seeing a lot of buy pressure coming in here for Ethereum. Also, local lower time frame market structure change. That's very important because that always can progress into something much bigger. So we're seeing slowly this progress into a curl up. Right, so Bitcoin already took these highs, but Ethereum has not yet taken them. If we look at these highs here, so if Ethereum does the same and starts to close 4-hour candles above these level, which is around 4,500, that could signal another push up by Ethereum to a new all-time high. So keep in mind, we're still in this kind of rotation. We're in the ETH phase, but Ethereum kind of took a break now, which means altcoins could start to see some sort of relief, which we're seeing Hyperliquid leading, especially Hyperliquid, Dogecoin on the higher cap coins, Avalanche today up 11%, which is unexpected. And we got Mantle up 30%, we got WorldCoin up 100%, and Random MYX Finance up 12x or 13x, which is nobody knows about. Nobody knows why this coin is pumping, and everybody on Twitter is trying to short it. I don't think that's a very good idea, but regardless, we're seeing some altcoins pump, especially exchange coins, like large exchange coins, but not really a heavy rotation yet. So I do believe the market took a break while Ethereum is going sideways. Bitcoin has taken the lead now again. And once Bitcoin is done, Ethereum will take the lead again, take the lead. And then we see the rotation actually truly happen onto rotation to mid cappers, low caps, and craziness, degeneracy, and all that is on its way, as I just said. Now today we got the market as well bouncing because of the PPI data coming in. Tomorrow we have the CPI. This also could kind of trigger the market as well, and especially that we have the first US Dogecoin ETF launches on Thursday. So this is pretty crazy, pretty exciting times coming ahead. I don't know what you think about this, but for me personally, when I see a Dogecoin ETF, which is a meme coin that was literally created to make fun of Bitcoin, it has no real value, I would say, but its value is pretty much it's just a coin like Bitcoin, so it could be used as a currency, for example. But the thing is, it's a meme coin, so a lot of speculation could be driven towards meme coins this cycle, or especially this meme season or this altcoin season could really see big hype around meme coins still. So I do expect this to be very big for meme coins as well. Anyways, this is the update for today. A very quick video again, updating you with what's going on here, with what I am seeing so far. And I'm working still on to that leverage trading, Bitcoin leverage trading challenge video, which is coming. It's going to be a series of videos. Hopefully it's going to be very entertaining. And I do believe it's going to be very entertaining, and adds another spin to the channel as well, where people can learn along the way while I'm training. So it's gonna be coming as a video series once a week or something like that. Planning as well a meme coin, low cap meme coin trading challenge that I'm thinking if I should do it or not. Probably I would do it, just so to add more stuff to the channel, not just to update all the time with what's going on here. Anyways, you let me know in the comment section what you think, and thank you so much for watching today's video till the end. I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.